Hi there, today in this session I will discuss about non-conditional or jump statements in Java. Basically, there are two jump statements that I'm going to talk about. We do have goto, but Java doesn't support goto jump statement. Jump statements are keywords that allow you to control the flow of execution in the program. These are used to transfer program control from one point to another point in the program. I hope you have seen in the case of switch case where we can break the case execution with the help of a break keyword and then go out of the switch block. Break and continue statements are the jump statements that are used to skip some statement inside the loop or terminate the loop with the inaudible for break keyword. Break statement in Java is used to terminate from the loop immediately based upon the condition. When a break statement is encountered inside the loop iteration stops. There only in control returns from the loop immediately to the first statement after the loop. Basically, break statements are used in situations where we're not sure about the actual number of hydration. That's how it works. A loop body starts conditions to break from loop. If the break keyword is found, it will break the execution. If it is false, it keeps executing the body of the loop. But in the case of continue, rather than terminating, we skip over the execution part of the loop, only that hydration is skipped and loop keeps going on. Let's say the loop has started, the condition is getting executed. If conditions is true and the continue is there, it will just skip the iteration and check for another condition rather than exiting the loop itself. I have a very nice example to demonstrate you guys. Let's get started. Consider this is the case study we discussed. User will enter the input as a message. I will keep printing that input message until the user will not enter quit in the message. The loop keeps going on. What I can do is I can check it up before taking a quit and executing the loop iteration. I will check if the input and dot is equals to quit. I need to break the loop. Otherwise, if input dot equals is pass, then continue. If nothing is to be there like break, cry or pass, just keep printing the input. In the case of pass, that number of execution will be skipped on. 1 second. Let me just print here the message. I just tried to hear hello. This is the message. World. This is the message. If I write pass, the input will not be printed because it's continued, just that iteration is skipped. When it leads to continue, it will go again to the while condition. Whatever remaining statements are there, it will be skipped. But if I write quit, it will be breaking up the execution of the loop itself. That's how the break and continue statement works in Java. See you in the next session. Until next time, stay tuned.